Hello, this is Shekhar here from Frore Systems. I'd like to show you our new solution. Just to give you a context, this is Orin NX Super passive device. This kind of form factor device sustains 40 watts of performance. It's a passive solution. What we could do is actually reduce the weight and volume by 80%, make it into a smaller device while maintaining all the features that you get from a passive device. We are maintaining full performance, much lighter, compact, silent, dustproof, and water resistant. How do we do it? This is our AirJet Mini G2. We have taken 5 of these and put them along with the control board and packaged them into an AirJet PAK 5C G2, where 5C stands for how many chips are in there, and this is the second generation. This is a spreader that you need to have your heat source attached to, and that is controlled by 4 pins, which is your power and ground and operating level controls. We were able to integrate this onto NX Super, and as you can see, we are maintaining 40 watts of full performance while maintaining a silent operation. These packs come with the dustproof and a water resistant filter, so they do give you all the features of a passive device while making it a lot more compact and less weight.
It's a lot less weight, it's lots more compact, and that could change a lot of things in the industry.
That's correct, yes. I mean, weight definitely, especially if these chips are used in robotics, humanoids, they're very useful in reducing weight and volume as well.
So the future of edge AI could be using much less materials, less space.
That's correct. While maintaining full performance, right? You have all the benefits of a passive device in an actively cooled chip.
Sometimes industrial customers might want to use this for 5-10 years. They could totally do that with your solution too?
Because it comes with those filters, yeah, the device can be made dustproof and water resistant, extending the life of